Hey, health enthusiasts, welcome back to our channel, Pansar Ki Dukaan. Today, we're diving into a crucial topic that often raises questions. How much vitamin C does a woman really need per day? If you're ready to unlock the secrets to optimal health, you're in the right place. Before we jump into the details, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the notification bell to stay up to date on all things health related. Let's get started. Understanding vitamin C. Before we get into the recommended daily intake for women, let's quickly recap why vitamin C is so important. From supporting the immune system to promoting healthy skin and acting as a powerful antioxidant, vitamin C is a key player in our overall well-being. Recommended daily intake. So, how much vitamin C should women aim for each day? The general guideline hovers around 75 to 90 milligrams. We'll break down the factors that might influence individual needs and explore situations where higher intake could be beneficial. Why vitamin C matters for women's health. Beyond the general recommendations, we'll delve into why vitamin C is particularly important for women. From supporting collagen production for skin health to its potential role in reducing the risk of chronic diseases, we'll uncover the unique benefits for women's well-being. Food sources of vitamin C. Let's talk food. We'll explore delicious and nutritious sources of vitamin C that you can easily incorporate into your daily diet. From vibrant fruits to colorful vegetables, we'll share practical tips to help you meet your daily vitamin C goals naturally. Potential risks and considerations. While vitamin C is generally safe, we'll discuss potential risks and considerations. From supplements to interactions with certain medications, it's essential to be well informed to make the best choices for your health. Your vitamin C questions answered. We asked our community to share their burning questions about vitamin C, and now we're addressing them. If you have more questions or want to share your experiences, drop them in the comments below. Let's build a community of knowledge. And there you have it, folks. The lowdown on how much vitamin C women need daily. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends.